Yeah, after clicking on wsus synchronization, see now it started to sync with the Microsoft update. So if you want to see the update about this one, like is it really synchronizing with the Microsoft update or not, you just go to the log called Microsoft Synchronization Manager, SMS wsus. See, it started syncing. Okay, using 8530, 1%, 3%, 5%, 12%. Of course it will take long time to complete, so that is the reason in the previous video I have mentioned that. Let's see in next video, because if you want to wait, it will take a long time. Okay, now 14%. Wow, bit speed. Go to wsus folder, wsus content. Wow, okay, see, content is also creating with the same date, content downloading. So 14% completed. Good. Actually last it's failed, as you see. Actually it is not failed, to be honest. It is not failed, it's just taking time, that's all. So that's the reason I have clicked on wsus. I went to software library here and click this one just to reinitiate the thread. So after reinitiating that, software immediately started. I didn't do any special troubleshoot for this one, but actually yes, we can do more, but in this case no need. But I will show you that if anything issues happen, how to solve the SUP role in upcoming videos. Okay, so there are plenty we can do from database side or from Sccm side, from settings side. We need to understand so many things. We will discuss all that. Okay, for now this is the things, this is the concept. It will take time. 100 to complete 100%, we can't wait. It will take time. Okay, once it is done, then what you can see is here it will get success. That's all. The link status will come with active and green icon, all good. Okay, so far there is no issues. We hope no issues soon. 15, 16. Okay, actually it is a bit faster. I will update again because it will take time. Thank you, thanks for watching. I have explained everything how to install the SUP role in previous video also. Please watch if we miss anything, or if we didn't discuss anything, you just mention in comment section. I'm happy to help you everyone. Okay, and please take a note that this is really basic things that I'm always discussing now. Okay, first we need to cover the basic layer, then we will go to intermediate, then we'll go to the advanced layer. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.